Hi, I am Mr. Antvestor, the world's hardest investor. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we talk about 10 rules for investing during a recession. Investing during a recession can be a daunting task. It's a time when the market is volatile, and investors are often unsure of where to put their money. However, with the right strategy and approach, investing during a recession can present opportunities for significant long-term gains. Here are 10 rules for investing during a recession. Number 1. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is crucial during a recession. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies can help reduce risk and protect your portfolio from market volatility. Number 2. Invest for the long term. A recession is not the time to chase quick profits. Instead, focus on investing for the long term. Stick to a well-thought-out investment plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 3. Don't try to time the market. Trying to time the market is a losing game. Instead, focus on the fundamentals of the companies you invest in and look for opportunities to buy high-quality stocks at discounted prices. Number 4. Look for undervalued stocks. During a recession, many quality stocks may be undervalued due to the overall market sentiment. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, such as a robust balance sheet, solid earnings, and a sustainable competitive advantage. These companies may provide significant long-term gains once the economy recovers. Number 5. Avoid high-risk investments. High-risk investments such as penny stocks or leveraged ETFs can be tempting during a recession. However, these investments carry a high level of risk and are not suitable for most investors. Number 6. Focus on quality bonds. During a recession, bond yields often fall as investors seek safety. However, it's crucial to focus on high-quality bonds such as treasury bonds or investment-grade corporate bonds. These bonds may provide a stable source of income and can help reduce the overall risk of your portfolio. Number 7. Keep an eye on interest rates. Interest rates often play a significant role during a recession. When interest rates are low, it may be an excellent time to consider refinancing your mortgage or taking advantage of low borrowing costs to invest in high-quality stocks. Number 8. Stick to your investment plan. During a recession, it's essential to stick to your investment plan and avoid making hasty decisions. Stay disciplined and avoid letting emotions dictate your investment decisions. Number 9. Stay informed. Stay informed about the latest economic and market developments. Read news articles, attend webinars, and talk to financial advisors to stay up to date on the latest trends. Number 10. Be patient. Finally, investing during a recession requires patience. The market can be unpredictable, and it may take time for your investments to realize their full potential. Don't panic and stick to your long-term investment plan. In conclusion, investing during a recession can be a daunting task. However, by following these 10 rules, you can reduce risk, protect your portfolio, and take advantage of the opportunities presented by market volatility. Remember to stay disciplined, stay informed, and focus on the long term. By doing so, you can achieve significant long-term gains and achieve financial stability and security. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, invest now, never later.